Creative folk have been creating all kinds of infographics for hundreds of years, so in reality, all you need is something to write with and something to write on. But in today's world, we have access to a variety of digital tools that make it easier to create and distribute infographics. Here's a list of some applications that you'll find helpful in your work. To be honest, it really doesn't matter which version you have, although newer versions usually contain features that help make your work more efficient. With its built-in graphing functions, powerful vector tools, and decent support for text, Illustrator is the go-to application for creating infographics. You can easily generate output for print or the web, and you can easily export artwork that can be placed into Microsoft Office applications if required. As an alternative to Illustrator, InDesign offers powerful layout and text capabilities, but it's missing any kind of graphing feature. If your infographics are text-heavy, working with InDesign may offer benefits, but you'll likely be using InDesign together with Illustrator, not InDesign instead of Illustrator. If you plan on distributing your infographics via PDF, it's essential that you have Adobe Acrobat Professional. Sure, you can export PDF documents directly from Illustrator or InDesign, but with Acrobat, you can add additional security features, specify how the file initially opens when you click on it. For example, you can have the file automatically open in full screen presentation mode, and you can even add scripts or other interactive features. Now, whether you love working with data or not, you will have to learn to live with Excel. It's the world standard when it comes to working with spreadsheets, and it's the file format that you'll be receiving from clients, coworkers, and when you're downloading data from the internet. Now, if you're just doing an infographic here and there, being familiar with Excel is a bonus. But if you're planning on doing a lot of infographics, buckle up and learn as much as you can about Excel. You'll be glad you did. Note that while there are both Mac and Windows versions available, the Windows version usually has features that are not available in the Mac version. For researching and organizing your story, a word processor is key. While you certainly don't have to use Word, really any word processor will do, if you're going to get Excel anyway, you'll probably be getting Microsoft Office, which includes Word, so there's less to think about there. If you're on a Mac, you might want to take a serious look at Apple's Keynote. While I wouldn't use it to create infographics, it's a great tool for storyboarding your infographic. The graphing tools are easy to use and are more capable than those found in Illustrator, and it's easy to organize your data into slides to quickly organize your thoughts. I use it often, and if you have to convert parts of your infographic into a presentation, you're already halfway there. Now, of course, the tools that you use should be the ones that work best for you. Don't be afraid to experiment with mobile apps either. A more efficient workflow means that you'll have more time to spend on developing your story, and that will always be a good thing.